Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be demonstrating an incredibly useful feature of your Synology network-attached storage device. I'll show you how to easily share files publicly with a link. If you didn't know you could do this before, well, you know now, so stay tuned. Our first step is to open the File Station package, which you can find in your main menu or on your desktop. It comes installed with your device, but if you're watching this video, you're likely already aware of that. Once you've completed that step, go ahead and navigate to the file you wish to share. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Windows Media Creation tool, but keep in mind that you can use any file of your choice. Now, right-click on the file and select Share. Upon right-clicking, a menu will appear, displaying all the settings needed to share this file. Begin by checking the box labeled Enable Secure Sharing. While it's not strictly necessary, if you intend to share the file with individuals outside your network, those without accounts, I highly recommend enabling this option. You can set a password for added security, or you have the alternative to restrict access to specific accounts. However, for more advanced account management, I recommend using Synology Drive. Next, you can set a limit on the file's accessibility, specifying the duration during which it can be accessed or when it becomes accessible. The first option allows you to set a start time and date, while the second one enables you to specify an end date. Beneath these options, you'll find a value that determines how many times the file can be accessed. The default setting is 99, but if you're simply sending a file to a friend and don't want them to share the link with others, you can set it to 1. Now, if we scroll up, you'll notice that Synology has conveniently provided us with a shareable link. The great thing is you don't need your own domain for this, unlike other similar services. You have the options to copy the link to your clipboard, send it via email, or even generate a QR code. This is why I have so much appreciation for Synology. They truly go above and beyond to provide everything you need. All that's left to do is click Save, and you're good to go. Now, if I open a private window in Firefox, you will see that it connects via Quick Connect to the NAS and requests the password. After that, you can download the file. If you've set the access value to 1 and refresh the page, you won't be able to access the file anymore. That wraps up this video tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you'd like to support my channel and stay updated on more helpful content, consider clicking the subscribe button. If you have any questions or video ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Stay safe and see you next time. Goodbye.